Welcome to our world, a world of wind and of waves, of calm and storm, of raw power and timeless style, a world of friendship and of peaceful solitude, of wisdom and of youth, of technical innovation and playful experimentation, a world of passion and a world of dreams. Welcome to our world, a world powered by nature.
Book upon a nightstand that I read before I sleep, wishing that the Sandman comes tonight before I count to 3. Get me out of here, feel it in my bones, shiver when the lights die, but I'm safe beneath my sheets, running out of air and tight and claustrophobic surroundings. Get me out of here, feel it in my bones. Get me out of here, don't leave me alone. And they gave to me something to believe. Everywhere I go, everyone I see is out to get me. But there's a place I go where nobody knows, where I'm deep asleep, where nobody can get me. False reality, but I can't open my eyes when all of my nightmares capture me.